We all know that the main ingredients of comfort food are carbs, fats and nostalgia. And if that is the case, the ultimate comfort food in Croatia equals Granatir Marš, or Granatir Marš, which is part of the Austro-Hungarian heritage in the area. Granatir Marš is a German word referring to the anthem of the Grenadiers, infantry soldiers specially trained to use explosives. According to the stories, the dish was invented by the army cooks who, due to supply problems, did not have enough food to prepare meals for the Austro-Hungarian soldiers during the long marches of the European and Napoleonic Wars. The solution was simple but effective: pasta and potatoes. The Hungarians did their magic by adding a touch of paprika, and it caught on and went to become one of the most popular dishes in former Yugoslavia. There are no exact measurements and you can't really go wrong, it just depends on what your favourite carb is. Start by cooking diced potatoes and sautéing some onions until golden brown, to which you'll add the paprika. Mix the potatoes in, roughly smashing them with a fork. In the meantime, cook a lot of pasta, join the two, give it a stir, and serve hot with a side salad. Dobar tek.